Ryan, twerk Ross, Ryan.
Good morning.
Hey, yo, why he got the movement?
Yeah, you gotta make it.
Yo, he got the movement.
No, you gotta make it me look.
Make more.
He always gotta look like a model.
Look at John.
It'll be like Korean.
Are you vlogging right now?
You want to take
Let me vlog. Alright, it is time for your
Daily vlog session.
your morning vloggers, John C. and Ryan
You gotta make
Wu.
it horizontal. Yeah, make sure. Yeah,
John C. and Ryan Wu, back with the daily vlog. Let's do a morning checkup.
Yeah.
They're folding the blankets. Ella is in the bathroom brushing her teeth. Vakuda, how's your sleep? What?
Someone just ran in here and said, "Fuck you guys are so annoying." I'm so scared. Yeah, me too.
That was Laura.
No, cause someone she likes do something too.
Oh yeah, she threw a pillow at you guys because you guys were sleeping on her bed. Singan, how's your sleep? Rate out of 10.
Yeah, honestly, I do not sleep.
0 out of 10. Rate your sleep, Eileen. Out of 10.
6? I want to sleep more.
Dude, I want to sleep more too, bro. I fucking fell asleep at 2 and it's 8 a.m. I don't know why we were up at 8 a.m. We said brunch at 11. Why are we up at 8?
Cause this single dumbass.
How was your sleep last night?
I slept like 5 hours.
This was Oscar's setup for sleeping last night. Cause Minjun, Laura, and Oscar all slept in this room.
Gang. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today's
Eileen's making the waffle mix.
Have you guys seen those people like crack the egg with one hand?
Oh my
You wanna
god.
try?
Oh, I can do it.
You wanna try?
You're lying.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit. No, I can't do it.
Get it, Eileen. Oh, get it. Hey. You remember the Chinese project where you had?
I do.
Do you want to do it in Chinese? 我们现在干什么？干嘛？
我们现在在有 watch ready 炒蛋。
哇！
I'm like, see, Chinese guy or what?
这小帅哥。
And now you know what we do?
哎，说中文。
加盐。
啊，get it， 闻得好香，对不对？
Oscar's cooking. Eileen's got the. Say hello to the vlog. Wait, Ella, can I put on 0.5 for a second?
Oh, what's the quality?
Oh.
You're not a real vlogger, you don't know.
Mix that in there.
If you were a vlogger, you would know that 0.5 ruins the quality.
Kelvin!
Is she shoveling?
Oh, shit.
I've actually devised an elegant solution.
Are you using a broom?
So I can't exactly sweep it out the way, right? So I'm gonna flatten it as much as possible.
Oh, the smoke alarm. Okay, anyways.
I'm gonna flatten it to make the snow as compact as possible so we can stand on it.
Oh, you're so smart. Go, Kelvin.
Oh, not crazy. Why is it like this?
Wait, keep it. Do it more. Oh.
Instead of oil, put chili.
Yo, you wanna try?
Yeah. Okay. This shit right there. Calvin.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi, vlog.
Wow.
I thought she said hi, vlog.
Alright, so
Hi, vlog.
we
Hello.
kind of got snowed in a little bit.
John, what did you just say?
I have a rake. I don't know. This is like the best I can do. Don't ask me how much work this is actually doing.
The snow is just going through the rake, bro.
I can't do anything about that. What do you want me to do?
Tape it up, bro. Tape it up.
Where's tape?
Can you drive a little bit closer?
I think.
They're so tiny. They're so tiny. God. There's.
it's chill. Wait, it's chill.
IRL mechanics.
Hey, vlog. Guys, we're oh my god. Oh, they look scared. Guys, we're Team Red. We're Team Red. Listen, the teams are so unfair, but it's okay. We're still gonna win.
Nah, you got me.
We're gonna win. Let's go see the other team. Where's the other team at? Wait. What's up? Go say hi to the vlog.
You guys can't be here. Nah.
Are you guys
You're the enemy. Out. You're the enemy. You're the enemy.
Bye. I'm kind of scared. Wait, it's actually so scary. What the hell?
Hey guys, it is the vlog here. It is Bonace back with another episode of Vlogging with Bonace. Today we're putting on roller skates, and I just clapped everyone in laser tag. Me, Fakuda, and Eileen took first, second, and third. You know the vibes. Green team on top.
Look at John. Oh my god. John.
He's got something else.
Can you go help him?
Get shit on little kids, let's go. I love little kids. Whoa. Basically, I am the best at skating here. That's John, that's Sengan. Heads up. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Yes.
Shirt's coming off.
Oh, where? Let's see it. Go for another lap.
Go for another lap. Bye-bye. We're matching with the gray hoodies.
We are going to Walmart to get some stuff, and then we're going to get some lunch later on.
My outfit's a mix of their babies. Like, he's got the black, she's got the gray, and then I'm the black and gray.
Yep. Laura's at home though, because she's not feeling really well. Is that your baby? Eggy. Eggy.
Pineapple juice. I give her sweet.
Oh my god. Oh.
No, we don't need.
Dude, we don't need this much.
I think we do. I think we need like maybe.
You know how much was in that other pack?
4, 8, 12, 16 for a day and a half.
Yeah.
That's for a day and a half. We're shooting for 3 more days.
Calm down. Almost right down the house.
I'll take it. I like your hat.
No, I'll get 2 more paddles.
Let's go, Brandon.
Brandon.
I'll get 2 more paddles.
Right now we are at Silver.
What'd you get?
Bacon. Oh, this shit is good.
That's not you. Wait.
No! Wait,
You have 2 houses. Oh shit.
John has all 3 greens.
Go.
Oh!
Yeah!
Guys, you guys want to know what happened? This happened. We already got power back like 2 minutes ago, but then Ella was like, "Wait, we didn't record. Can you guys do it again and act like super like surprised?"
One vlogs vertical.
Oh, Shiva.
200.
They're playing Monopoly. I'm just sitting next to
This is such a sad vlog.
Okay, wait. Who's turn? Brian, your turn.
He's sleeping somewhere. He's not in this room. Yeah. Apparently, you're not supposed to vlog vertically. I didn't know. You know, she told, you know, on the, we all went in different cars on the way to the Airbnb, and like nobody recorded except for me. Wait, Laura.
Yeah. Hey, oh, he's up. Yo.
John, watch out for the ginger ale. Wait, we're gonna get some Wait, get some Fine. I'll walk you with.
Say hi to the vlog, guys. Taco making. Taco preparations. Wait, who's formal cooking team? Eileen, Kate, Sengan. Is it Louis?
I'll be watching the lettuce.
Washing the lettuce. What's your duty, Oscar?
The cheese, but we only have one cutting board, so I'm using this like plastic lid. It's like so sticky.
Nah, that's pretty solid cutting board.
Yeah.
You just messed up the cut.
Yeah, wait, shut up.
Wait, you just messed it up though.
Cut this, cut this.
Wait, you just messed it up though.
Don't put this in the vlog. Don't put this in the vlog.
Oh my.
Cheddar cheese.
Alright, Kate, what's your role?
Let's make a
Oh, are you cutting cheese as well?
My rule is cutting other stuff.
But you're cutting cheese right now.
I know because no, I'm. So you can release water.
Eileen, what is your role? Cutting tomatoes?
I'm cleaning.
Oh, that's a difficult role. Go, Laura. Louis, what is your role?
We're washing lettuce, but we don't really know how to.
Bro, wait. Yo, washing lettuce is high key, like low key, kind of hard.
Wait, I think you don't use soap, right?
You don't use soap.
How do you do that same pose?
You like cross your legs. No, the other way.
What the fuck, dog?
No, like the other way.
Wait, why is he next to me?
Like you lean. Yeah.
Idol. John, please. Please. Your jokes are getting worse and worse every day.
Alice, shout out to cooks right now.
I don't know what the cooks are.
It's me, Kate, Saigon, and Eileen.
Yay.
And then Ryan assisted.
I wash the dishes.
Third bite, here we go.
Third bite? I haven't had one bite yet.
Bro, I'm still trying
This
to
man's speed running.
Say hello to the vlog, please. Can you say hello? Can you like make the light this way? Hello.
Like this.
That's pretty good lighting, actually. It shouldn't be like this, like so it's like in the, oh, why am I only in it? Why is my hair red? Where's Minjin? Okay, explain to them what the situation is.
So,
It's not a picture. What are you doing? our power went out again. Is your here?
No, it's all about that selfie life.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Go green.
We gotta get that 90-degree and go put it up.
Isn't it 45?
Oh, it's like you're
No, that's like 80.
why are you guys like so like Instagram like professionals?
Guys, round 2, let's go!
Round 2, baby. Got that round 2.
Oh my god, we're so
Come find me.
Yeah. Yeah, Lou. Ooh. Lawnmower.
Yo, I'm going to university called Chase Western. My dad is 2 minutes away at the nearest Best Western.
What?
Oh!